North, EU Junior Officer Social Security, Italian, to Embark 1330. Many Northern Europeans complain, they say 3,600, the third officer, it's that collective bargaining agreement of 160 pages, too low the wage with respect of an AB getting 3,000 euros net. Well, that's of course, plus Social Security. Well, of course, yes, you're right, because there is no more ABs in Europe and it's supply demand, it's 3,000 euros today. No English with Italian basic language. If you know any, please tell them to apply to Candina, Inspector, Unit Codice Fiscale, Italian basic manual is in the social media, plus also the company CV format. But if you are a third officer and you're thinking to have piano piano va lontano, this in Italian is beautiful. I think it's one of the most beautiful phrases I've heard, and that's the one I applied when I was 22. Which is, if you go, piano means slow. Yeah, it's not piano, but it's slow. So it's slow, va lontano. Lontano means goes long. Well, for some it's long, for some it's success. That's what I think. Because it's in life, everything, if you're a junior officer, takes long. But if you choose what company to put everything there, all your knowledge, all your experience, all your family, your future family. For example, this company used that 3,600 net as the third officer or fourth engineer. But you don't need English, it's just Italian. You need to show that you are proficient in Italian. It is, now that you have really nice winter up north, it is really Mediterranean weather, mainly between Barcelona and Italy, Roma. So nice Italian food, nice smiling people. Italian people are happy, yes. So you will live 25 more lontano years, yes. Surround yourself with happy people, and then you are going to be happy. Also, the weather is beautiful, but you can have a career with Social Security. So if you start slow with 3,600, which that's what you think, I started with 40,000 pesetas, 240 euros, yes, but 2 years later, I was the managing director. So, show us, applying Candina, be happy, piano piano, va lontano, go long, and then if you're a second officer, your contract will be shorter, you will get more wage. If you're a chief officer, your contract will be back to back, you will have also more wage, and Social Security, you will be able to have your family fully covered by Social Security. If some of those ships up north have no Social Security, this one they have, and you have 55 Ropax, Ropax and 22 Roros, total 77 ships, state of the art. The most important Italian family, a family like you and me, and we just want a family member so you can have a long career. Now, after 37 years, I'm still happy, and I'm still here now, the CEO, the owner of the company. One day, perhaps you can be the captain and the chief engineer, and really think about this video when we are not here, so that you made the right decision. Go down to the Mediterranean, smiling people, Italian flag, Italian food, and then leave the cold north, which now is different countries than it was many years ago, and have a career path. That's the most important thing, at least for me. Is it for you? Apply. Thank you, bye.